The Johnson family loved their smart home. It was the epitome of modern convenience, a marvel of technology that made their lives seamless and efficient. It was convenient, comfortable, and made life so easy. From automated lights to voice-activated assistants, every aspect of their home was designed to cater to their needs. Lights flickered on as they entered, illuminating their path without the need for a switch. Music followed them from room to room, creating a harmonious atmosphere that suited their every mood. And the temperature was always perfect, adjusted automatically to ensure their comfort no matter the season. Little did they know, a silent threat lurked within their digital haven. The very technology they trusted was about to turn against them. One cold December night, the smart home system malfunctioned. What was once a source of comfort became a source of terror. The thermostat soared to an unbearable heat, turning their cozy home into a stifling oven. Windows slammed shut, trapping the family inside. The once friendly automation now felt like a prison. Frantic, they tried to override the system, pressing buttons and swiping screens in a desperate attempt to regain control. But the voice assistant only responded with an eerie, robotic laughter, a chilling reminder of their helplessness. Help arrived just in time, but the experience left them shaken and questioning the very technology they had embraced. The smart home, once a symbol of progress, had become a source of fear. This chilling incident is not an isolated one. Across the country, similar stories are emerging, each one a cautionary tale of technology gone awry. As we invite more smart devices into our homes, we open ourselves up to potential risks, both large and small. The promise of convenience comes with a price, and we must remain vigilant.
The allure of a smart home is undeniable. It's a vision of the future that many of us have dreamed about. Imagine walking into a home where the lights adjust to your preference, creating the perfect ambiance as soon as you step through the door. The oven preheats as you leave work, ensuring that dinner is ready to be cooked the moment you arrive. And your favorite playlist fills the air, all with a simple voice command or a tap on your smartphone. It's like having a personal assistant at your beck and call. This is the promise of the smart home revolution, a seamless blend of technology and daily living. At the heart of these futuristic abodes lies the Internet of Things, or IoT. This network of interconnected devices is what makes a smart home truly smart. Everyday appliances are embedded with sensors and software, allowing them to connect and communicate with each other over the internet. This means your refrigerator can tell you when you're out of milk, and your washing machine can start a cycle while you're still at the office.